This is Gary Kayye with Rave Publications, and this is day one at the DSE show here in Amsterdam. Or we're not in Amsterdam, we're actually in Las Vegas. I'm so used to saying Amsterdam. And the Digital Signage Expo, that is. This is the premier digital signage show in the world. It focuses exclusively on digital signage. And what's interesting about this show is it focuses not only on the hardware, but also the content and the software that drives it. And certainly, you guys at Almo Pro AV, and I'm here meeting with the Executive Vice President of Sam Taylor of Almo Pro AV, the guy in charge of bringing Almo from the consumer world into the professional world, have built your name and your sort of reputation in a very short period of time on being the leading distributor of digital signage displays.
Well, thank you, Gary, and I think that's because of our philosophy of partnering with a few key vendors who have the solutions that our customers need.
Yeah, and that is a good point, because here in your booth you have Planar, you have NEC, you have Elo Touch, you have Sunbright. So you're covering not only, Sunbright's neat because they have outdoor, weatherproof displays. You have the indoor, you have the nanolumens, the giant nanolumens sort of football-shaped display here. So you're covering all elements of digital signage, not just retail or not just wayfinding at universities.
Yeah, many different sizes and shapes, as you mentioned, from video walls to small format displays that can be put right on a tabletop at a retail location, so to the big nanolumens, which is for very large viewing areas.
Now, what about your, I mentioned earlier about Elo Touch. Elo Touch is not really well known in the Pro AV world, certainly, but they're certainly well known in the point of sales service kind of display, touchscreen, small application displays, but you're kind of bring them into the Pro AV world, aren't you?
Well, yeah, and they're going to be very well known in this space because they already have a wide product offering of 32-inch to 70-inch LCD and LED touch-enabled displays, multi-touch, single-point touch, hardened industrial use for areas where there can be a lot of touches on the touch screen. So they bring their expertise into this market with an offering that's going to be successful.
Yeah, I tend to agree with you. And the packaging of that, we just shot a video on it. So if you haven't had a chance to look at all the videos we shot, all you got to do is go over the upper right-hand corner of this screen that you're watching now and just type in Almo, A-L-M-O. You don't even have to type in the Pro AV part. And you can actually see a video that we just shot with Brian at Almo on the Elo Touch. I forget the size of that, 42-inch I think it is, or 46-inch?
Yeah, 42-inch.
Right, 42-inch display, but they go all the way up to 70-inch. And what I was most impressed with is the packaging of it. Aesthetically, it looks really nice. It's not the industrial look.
Right. I mean, they've put something together that looks like a finished piece. So they're not integrating the glass over somebody else's panel. They're really starting with the panel, a raw panel, integrating their solution around it. So it looks like a finished piece.
So what after you leave here, DSE? Obviously, the next big event for you is the E4 show, which is Chicago, March 28th, I think?
Correct. That's okay. March 28th in Chicago. And
registration, www.almoproav.com?
Correct.
Okay. And then April and where?
In San Francisco.
Okay, April in San Francisco, and then Infocom. So Almo's hopefully proud sponsor of not only our DSE coverage, but also our Infocom coverage, where we go around and shoot videos like these for hopefully every booth at the show floor, so that you have a chance to sort of be at a show when you don't have a chance to be at the show.
These are awesome ways for our integrators to go online that maybe are based in New York to see new products that are being introduced in Chicago or San Francisco, and even folks who can't make it to Infocom can go online at your site and see new products, new technologies that in real time.
Yeah, in fact, I'll be doing the keynote, which is a sort of a crystal ball of what's going to happen in the future of the AV industry over the next couple of years. And if you don't have a chance to go to Chicago or San Francisco, you can actually go to ravepubs.com/E4. And that'll take you directly to the portal we've built for the Almo shows. And of course, you can watch my keynote there, or you can actually see all the videos that we'll shoot at both locations. And then hopefully I'll get a chance to sit down with you at Infocom, because I know you got some surprises planned between now and Infocom with some new partnerships and new products.
Yes, we do, so stay tuned.
Yeah, I won't give anything away. I don't want to get anybody in trouble here, but I'm definitely excited about a couple of them.
Good. Yeah, we are as well.
No hints?
No hints.
Not allowed to say anything?
Not allowed to say anything.
Okay, well, I won't say anything either. I'll just not say anything. I don't want to get in trouble. So, anyway, this is Gary Kayye. I've been speaking with Sam Taylor at Almo Pro AV. Thanks for watching. And again, if you want to see all the videos we shot here at the Almo booth, just type in Almo in the search box, and you can see them all. Thanks again. And thanks to Brian for holding the camera there.